on Luc Electronics. The Alpha Gate peeking out.
Don Luc Electronics project.
Now, tutorial in understanding electronics. Sell kits for project or parts. Now, go to breadboard, like we believe that, like this here, this breadboard, but wire and the here, perfect. Other one here, this breadboard, but here for copper, here, other one here, is good. This Arduino breadboard too. This is good, and big here too. So this breadboard and parts for the like this and cable and this, so good. Now switch and caps and volume and keys and button and switch and here, so parts for computer for the here. Now Arduino, this Arduino Uno, Arduino, but here for parts, Arduino Mega, here for this, same thing, board for Arduino, here other one, here mini, here, and this here, so cable for this or this, so here Espressif here is good, here too, this Wi-Fi and here too, so good, and same thing here, but here this other one here, a Raspberry Pi here, and Raspberry Pi, and this other one, Raspberry Pi here, but display here, Wi-Fi, so this an antenna and this, or here this here, this here, or here too, here, this, now this good, and here before the here, this for this, this and this for Wi-Fi, this for here, oh, this ground, the antenna for another one here. Oh, you put Bluetooth for speaker for sounds. So here, robots here, wheels here, this this for here, wheels and wheels and engines, another one, this for wheels, this for the bearing for this, or this plastic, or here, or this wheel for this, or this. This for the here, and driver for this, or this too, stepper too, and this, so robotics, and this servo, 1 and 2 for good, servo for this here, this and this here, and this too, so good, servo. Switch for Arduino for this here, mini, GPS here, display here, display here, laser, this for 5, this, back and forth for the sound, this for this, LEDs here, LEDs IV here, 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 green, this, LEDs and LEDs and LEDs, oh, this, LEDs, green, yellow, blue, in here, this, here, or here, here for this, so it's good for this, LEDs, this for amps, and this, and resistor switch, and pots, resistor, like capacitor, this, and box for this, microphone, up and down and around, and this for this, or this up and down here, same thing here, same thing here, this cheap and good for here, video two tubings for this, for here, sound for gas, for gas and gas and gas and gas, here acceleration, gyro is, and around here too, this for battery, or battery for this, for vectors for this, here for this, or battery for this, power for this or this, and it's so good for battery, or speaker, here this for sounds, battery for this, or this speaker but big, this another one, good, this for, let's see, this 1, 2, 3, and that's it, and this old, and I think Russian for this, and this for computer for here, other one build for this, and this Arduino, and here Pi 0, here is this for this, and servo for this, and camera. Project for resistor, and this for me go to check for resistor, and oh, this better here, this, and go to check for resistor like this and this and hit this, and perfect. Now here this, so it's good for the resistor. So, and this for the sound, and back and forth the vehicle. Arduino and piano, and around for this here and this too. This for battery, micro, this, and this. So perfect for the experiment. This too. Air, this, gas, and battery, and this. GPS, and here. Sound for piano. Arduino, and this for sound, and go to plug for sound or car, and go to here, and here is good. Glass for sound here, and Arduino, this, and parts for this. Perfect. This for computer for sound. This the punk for this, and light here, this, and Arduino here, and this. Bye-bye.
Follow us. The Alpha Geek. Curriculum Vitae. Don Luc Electronics. JLP Consultants. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest.